My name is Pierre Pryer, Sr. I am the executive chef of the Iron Horse Grill located in Jackson, Mississippi. I was working at a truck stop in Jackson. On the way home one morning, I noticed this building downtown and saw Iron Horse Grill, didn't know what it was. And finally I just walked in one day and I said, it's a restaurant, and I applied for a job there. During the same time, I left the truck stop and I was about to join the United States Army. It's Friday morning, about 6:30 in the morning, to go be sworn in. I didn't go. The next day I got a phone call from the Iron Horse. I was lucky enough to be a part of the team with them, and so I worked there for 12 years. We kind of put our stamp on the market and made our niche in the market, and the restaurant just grew and it became a great local place to be. It's a Halloween night, 1999. I'm driving downtown to Iron Horse. I see the smoke downtown. I hear these sirens, and I turn the corner. Iron Horse is on fire. And I'm just like, so I stood outside for like 2.5 hours, watched them put this huge fire. I'm like, I'm never gonna come back here because it's burning down. And you roll the clock forward 15, 17 years later, someone else reaches out to me and says, I bought the Iron Horse, And coming back, to me, represents rebirth. Rebirth of a city, rebirth of something that's an icon in Jackson. And it's gonna be me in charge of bringing it back, and that's how I see Jackson, That's how I see the citizens of Mississippi, people who are strong, resilient. We're gonna bounce back from whatever adversity that we have in front of us, and we're gonna do it. Everybody does shrimp and grits, You got this coastal dishes, it's New Orleans dishes. We at the Iron Horse do things a little bit different, So I can do my own thing, and I put my own twist on the foods when you come in our place. So we didn't create crawfish. It's been around for a long time, but we decided to put it on top of our shrimp and grits and see how it's gonna like it. And the reception we got from it was great. People love it, and it's one of our signature dishes also at the restaurant. So if you're downtown Jackson, stop in there and have some shrimp and grits. It's really good. I came from a neighborhood, would you say the inner city you want to call it? I don't want to use certain words, but at one point in my neighborhood, I think I gave every person in my neighborhood the opportunity to work for the Iron Horse Grill. So we threw a block party in the neighborhood, and they presented me with an award in my neighborhood. Just blew me away to Pierre Pryer, for an outstanding job for employing everybody in this neighborhood. And I still have that certificate today on my wall in my office at home, and I'm very proud of that. I'm proud that I'm a Jacksonian, and I'm proud to be a Mississippian. So if you're out there in Mississippi and you're looking at me, you listen to me, take pride in your hometown and your home state.